everyone. So today we'll go through this overview. Overview will be just a bit of introduction of this class, Bio3. Alright, so this is me. My name is Mr. Hafiz. I am from UKM. So I specialize in environment, infectious disease, and sustainability. So you can contact me at this email and this telephone number. But remember that do not send me emails or telephone over 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. because I'm usually asleep at the time, because I have to wake up early every day, so I have to sleep early every day. Right, so in Biology 3, you learn about the basic biological system, principles, processes, and its application, and you learn about the overview and detail on your internal body system. So last semester will be kind of broad, but in this semester you'll learn about just the human body. So these are the learning outcomes. You appreciate the existence of multiple systems in our body and understand the connection of systems that operate in the human body and plants. And after knowing the connection, you have to apply the idea and explain the importance of today's technology that can be applied in the biological concept. So we have 9 chapters: nutrition for 1 week, gaseous change for 1 week, transport for 2 weeks, compensation for 1 week. And after that, 4, we'll have our test. After our test, we do our chapter 5 until 9. So the longest chapter will be chapter 8. It will take 2 weeks, 2 maybe 3, and then the last chapter will be chapter 9. So after chapter 9, we'll do test 2. If we have some extra weeks, we can do assignments for bonus marks. This will help you in your final exam. So the assignments, it can be either of these two. For chapter 1, you have to look for nutritions for the food labels. Chapter 9 usually is about a film or a video. So what you have to do is answer questions based on it. So I will make some questions based on it, and you have to answer. So previous films were Juno, 2006, Ponyo, Taino Uta, Tokyo Godfathers, and Osmosis Jones. So every one of these films has something to do with your chapters. So these are the practicals. Due to MCO, we cannot use the lab, so every student has to do experiments in their homes. You have to use your whatever space you have, and then you do your experiments. Okay, so first of all will be nutrition, understanding amylase. So you'll be using saliva and starch. Practical number 2 will be transporting plants. What you have to do is to get some celery, get some colored water to look at the transportation of water into celery. And number 3 will be transport, listening to the heart. So probably will not be doing this because this uses a stethoscope. But we'll do C and D, transport. So you'll be using some pulses to measure your blood pressure during rest, sitting, and exercise. Practical 4 is about the nervous system. First of all is the patella and blink reflex. Second will be the Achilles reflex. Achilles reflex will be the reflex on your Achilles tendon, which is just behind your foot. Then you have the uvular reflex, equilibrium test, and reaction times. And this last one, practical 5, will not be doing it because of MCO, because the lab are off limits for us. We are unable to go there and do our practical. So these are pictures from previous batches. You can see we did a section, we went for a visit to a forensic lab. Okay, we see a lot of cadavers, and then we do the knee reflex and also checking the blood pressure. So I'll just skip this one. So what to do now is to register to Google Classroom. Probably you have already registered. Okay. So the assignment access are but to non-stored emails by default. So please use your INW email. Okay, do not use nicknames or pseudonyms. Use your INW email so that I can track you. These are references. Thank you.